Yadav, what is your take on this?
See, of course, we support the reservation bill, and this time that the government has decided to hold a discussion on 16th, 17th and 18th on women reservation bill. I just hope that opposition, they get a fair chance, they get enough time to put forth their point and to hold a very positive discussion on this. Of course, there are certain issues that really confuses, and the basis of this is that is the central government actually in favor of reservation, actually in favor of increasing women seat both in Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies? If so, then in 2023 they said that they will be doing this only after the census is done, then and then delimitation is done, and then finally
Ms. Yadav,
reservation.
Ms. Yadav, let me ask you one logical question, because this keeps coming up. I don't want to go into history to remind you what was the stand of the RJD, the commentary by your party and leaders. Let me just ask you this. If you believe the BJP is only, doing lip service on women's quota, what stops the RJD from already, putting in practice the 33% quota? आप 50% कर दीजिए. Show the world how it's done.
Of course. In fact, I'm sitting here to advocate that instead of 33%, why not 50%? Aadhi Abadi, when you're making Aadhi Abadi your vote bank, you talk so much about Aadhi Abadi, why not 50% to Aadhi Abadi?
Ma'am, when you were picking the deputy chief minister or leader of opposition in the Bihar assembly, आपको ये आधी आबादी याद नहीं आई थी ये, या अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है आपको ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम?
No. Let us come to power and then just wait and watch.
We will do this when we come to power. Mr. Pawar.
Good evening, Pranesh ji. Pranesh ji, women are the backbone of our country. They constitute 50% of our population, and they play a very vital role in nation's progress. So we fully support women reservation. However, expecting women welfares from Bharatiya Janata Party, a party whose mindset is fundamentally anti-women, which is anti-women in action, anti-women in intent, anti-women in thought, is a joke. Because every action of Bharatiya Janata Party is only and only politically motivated. It benefits them. Otherwise, we cannot expect women welfare for them. When in 2023 this bill was introduced, Aam Aadmi Party leader very categorically said that implement it immediately. 33% reservation must be given to the existing 543 seats. But you know what the law minister and finance minister at that time said? They said that without a fresh limitation, without a fresh census and delimitation, this cannot be implemented. Otherwise, this will be contrary to law, contrary to the 106 constitutional amendment, and will be set aside by the...
I'll put that question to Shazia Ilmi, but Dr. Ranganathan hasn't spoken. We don't have much time. Dr. Ranganathan.
नहीं, देखिए, इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं कि अगर पॉलिटिशियंस का और उन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के स्पोक्स पर्संस का यू डू अ ब्लड टेस्ट, कोलेस्ट्रॉल से ज्यादा हिपोक्रेसी आएगी. नाउ हियर यू हैव माय वेरी डियर फ्रेंड एंड ब्रदर अनमोल जी सेइंग कि यस वी सपोर्ट 33% रिजर्वेशन ऑफ women. We have the RJD spokesperson, the wonderful lady, saying I support 50%. RJD gave tickets to only 15% women candidates in the recent Bihar election. आप gave ticket to only 9% women candidates for candidates in the आप election. अगर इतना ही 33% से प्यार था, 50% से प्यार था, तो भाई आपने 16% और 9% टिकट्स क्यों दिए women को? Number one. Number two, I have to say this, I congratulate Tehseen on being absolutely pat on and each and every point he has made in the entire debate today, both topics included. Yes, I support women reservation, but it has to be time bound and it has to be targeted. But look at the sleight of hands. That is why I can't stand politicians. यहां पे कह रहे हैं so that men seats are not affected, we are increasing the number of seats from 530 to 810. तो यही चीज हर कोटा में क्यों नहीं होता? मेडिकल सीट्स में आप सीट्स क्यों नहीं बढ़ाते ताकि रिजर्वेशन का इफेक्ट ना आए नीडी पे? वहां पे तो आप सीट्स नहीं बढ़ाते, यहां पे बढ़ा रहे हो क्योंकि आपको इफेक्ट नहीं चाहिए अपनी सीट्स पे. This is the sleight of hand that I object to.
Okay, now let's give the last word to the BJP spokesperson Shazia Ilmi. Why not implement this 33% quota in the current 543 seats only?
Are concerned, they should be increased, whether it's a medical or every other exam. But here, actually, the representation of an MP, if you look at his constituency and you look at the numbers, it is actually unfair. Look at the way the population has increased and
No,
look
that's
at the
okay. That is,
representation
I understand that, ma'am. But why not, in principle, why not increase, have the 33% quota on 543 seats?
Let me finish. Women have not been able to breach 17% or 18% ever. And it's I mean, I look at it and I say, how can you not have at least 33% women?
Do it on
in your
543.
legislatures in parliament. So I don't for the life of me understand. And anyway, the seats have to go up. So it's not that the men are getting, men
No,
continue
take it up. No one has a problem. But I'm asking you, this is on.
Please allow me to speak. Do not get so excited. There will be many constituencies. Of course, this will happen by rotation and it's only for 15 years. It is not in perpetuity. But then you'll say, Anand, that this is also what was promised during the Mandal recommendations. But yes,
Okay.
so
Now,
only
ma'am,
for
can
15
I-
years. But the fact of the matter is, there will be many constituencies will be considered reserved for women.
That's
Which will have
great.
Very senior men.
But why not have the 33% quota on 543 seats? What is the problem there?
No, but what is the problem with increasing it to what is supposed to be? Delimitation.
Ma'am, you
has
start
to
with
be
this
done.
and then increase it.
If you have a new parliament, why do you want to have lesser people representing?
Okay, so because
a higher number of
we have a bigger building.
We have to have more MPs.
Okay, let's see how this debate actually shapes up in Parliament itself. I thank all of you for joining us on India Upfront. The news hour with Navita Kumar on the other side.